Hello everybody, and welcome back to another short weather guide video on Winter Storm Avery. Let's get right on into it. Here's the NAM 3-kilometer model, the most accurate model that we use on the channel. Now, watch the blues, the purples, and the pinks. The blues are snow, the purples are sleet, the pinks are freezing rain. Unless your pink is surrounded in blue, then that's really heavy snow. Now, when we play this, you can see that there's strong bands in Illinois right now. Then it'll just push all the way up into New England. And you can see some of those pinks inside of the blues. Now, let's go back and let's just look at the total snowfall. Now, I don't need to play this through. This is basically it. So, as you can see, there's some areas that are going to be in the 12 to 24 inch range, but we're mostly looking at 6 to 12 inches of snow. Depending on where you are, that can be greater or less. Most of the heaviest snow will occur in higher elevations in the Appalachians, or if you want to say Appalachians, that's up to you. So that is where the higher snow totals will be, but the general consensus is 6 to 12 inches of snow across New England. Now, let's go in depth into the Northeast. This is where most of the snow will be coming in. So I'm just going to go step by step here. So you can see the sleet coming into Virginia, freezing rain in Ohio, snow in Indiana. Then that sleet starts to turn over to snow as you get into Pennsylvania and New Jersey. For Washington, D.C., it looks like mostly a rain event for you. New York starts out as snow, quickly changes over to rain. Albany, you're going to get like a clipping of snow, and it's going to turn to sleet and then rain. Oh, that's a different model. There we go. All right, Hartford. Well, let's just do all of Connecticut. It'll start today around 2 o'clock, and then continue on. Then it'll switch over to sleet at times, but mostly a snow event until it just gets too warm enough overnight on Friday, and it switches over to sleet. And then maybe you can get some little icing in there. It's going down significantly over the time periods, and then it'll just turn to rain as the low pressure moves off. We could see the wraparound snow come in and clip the area again. That could happen in some spots, but up north in Ontario, there's going to be another system coming across, and that'll join up with this storm to cause a huge swath of snow in that area. Light snow, but still a big swath. And let's finally look at our snowfall. So this is assuming a 10 to 1 snow liquid ratio. That basically means for 1 inch of rain is 10 inches of snow. Because snow isn't at the same, like, for every inch of rain, you don't get an inch of snow. You would actually get between 10 and 13 inches of snow for every inch of rain, depending on how cold it is and what type of snow it is. We're going to be looking at the wet snow, so this 10 to 1 ratio should work, but there's a wide range here with every nor'easter. So let's just go through your snow totals. New York, about 6 inches. Philadelphia, about the same. Hartford, well, Connecticut, you can see from anywhere from 6 to, I've seen as much as 14 inches of snow. Albany about 11, Boston about 7, and then the south coast of Maine going to be between 6 and 8 inches. New Hampshire, about the same. Then you get into Pennsylvania, like Harrisburg, that area, Scranton, that area. That's where you can see your 16s, your 20s, like if you live in the mountains over there. Virginia, same thing. The coast of New Jersey down will not see anything. This has DC getting some sleet, between 4 and 8 inches of snow. I mean, that could happen, but it'll be mostly a rain event, so that'll hopefully clear out for you today. And that is basically it. Currently, the storm is down south, so let's go to the southeast. And I'm just going to go through the MSLP and precip. And then it's just coming up here right now. And then just some thunderstorm activity, that's all. Once it clears out, it should be a nice day for the southeast. But this was a historic storm in the south because you had states like Mississippi and Louisiana and Arkansas getting snow and sleet, made the roads really slick. There was a story yesterday of a bus that flipped over. There was 2 people killed and 44 people injured. So snow in the south, especially in November, not a good sign for this winter. But that is basically it. So I am going to leave you with that. Make sure to stay safe today. If you don't have to stay home, like, I advise that just stay home. It's really troubling to drive in the snow. Not something that you want to be doing all day today. So if you can, stay home as long as you can. Enjoy the snow. Cuddle up by the fire. I don't know, whatever you do. But thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment any suggestions for the channel. I will take all comments seriously, so feel free to comment in the comment section below. Thank you, everybody. See you soon.